Hello and welcome to Learning with Z. This is the first video in the series of valuation using Excel. The topic is how to calculate present value of cash flows using Excel. Let me spend 2 minutes here in explaining the concept of time value of money. The time value of money is based on the assumption that £1 or euro or dollar is worth more today than it will be sometime in future. That is, 1 unit of whatever currency invested to give an annual rate of return R is expected to grow at the rate of 1 plus R after 1 year. And subsequently, at the end of 2 years, it will be 1 plus R raised to power 2. At the end of 3 years, it will be 1 plus R raised to power 3, and so on. Till at the end of n years, it will be 1 plus R raised to power n. Friends, you must be aware of present value and future value formula. These are the formulas given in most of the textbooks of valuation. Just to reiterate once again, future value is equal to present value 1 plus r raised to power n, and present value is future value divided by 1 plus r raised to power n. Now let's see how to calculate these in Excel. So let's take an example. If the rate of return is 8%, what is the present value of receiving $500 in 3 years? Here the future value given to us is 500. So we will plug in 500 here. Rate is given to us is 8%. So we will put 8% here. And n given to us is 3. So we'll put 3 here. And now the formula for calculating present value will be put equal to, then future value is 500. So we'll click on 500. We put divided by, start the bracket, 1 plus r. So 1 plus, click on R 8%, just set C5 cell, close the brackets, put the exponential sign, and then n equal to 3. So click on cell C6 and then press enter. So we have 396.92. We'll keep 2 decimal places as 396.92. Dollar is the present value of receiving $500 in 3 years. Now let us look at how to calculate the present value for a stream of cash flows. If one receives several payments in future like C1 at the end of 1 year, C2 at the end of year 2, and so on, then the total present value is the sum of several individual present values. The textbook formula is given as present value equals to C1 divided by 1 plus R, C2 divided by 1 plus R raised to power 2, and so on. So let's see how to calculate this in Excel. So let's take an example. We have to calculate the net present value of 3 years cash flows, and we have been given the rate of return as 8%. So we'll plug in the rate of interest or rate of return as 8% here, and we have 3 years cash flow given as 300, 400, and 500 for years 1, 2, and 3 respectively. Now in order to calculate the NPV, put equal to sign. On the top, you will see formulas. You have to select that. You will see a lot of functions here. We need financial, and when we click financial, you'll get a drop down. From the drop down, select NPV as the function. So we have NPV here. You will see a dialog box that opens up. The first argument is rate. So select the rate here. The rate given to us is 8%, so we'll select 8% from here. Then the second argument is value 1. Here we have to select the range of cash flows, that is from 300 to 500. And then you have to press OK. So here the answer is 1017.63. So the net present value is $1017.63. So friends, I hope this video was useful. I'll be uploading more videos on how to calculate present value of annuity and perpetuity. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.